So if you take the earnings from last month, which were $847 with 11 cents, and you actually add it with a $250 payment from just one affiliate program. So we'll do that right now. 847 plus 250, that's about $1,000 that I made from just one affiliate program and my YouTube channel. Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lester Diaz, and in this channel we talk about making money online, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, and everything in between. So if you're new, consider subscribing. So today we're going to talk about how to make money on YouTube, specifically how to reach $1,000 per month on YouTube. And I wanted to talk about this topic because I've seen some comments on my videos from other YouTubers who are trying to build their channel, and I've seen some comments from people saying, well, if I could make $1,000 per month, I would be so happy. So I'm going to show you in this video some tweaks that you can do to your own channel that can help you reach $1,000 per month. And hopefully if you follow my tips, it's going to help you get a little bit closer to your goal of making $1,000 per month. Now, as you know, there's multiple ways to make money on YouTube. There's brand deals, there's a YouTube partner program, there's affiliate marketing. There's multiple things that you can do to monetize your YouTube channel. And I do have a few videos on my channel that can teach you how you can monetize your channel in many different ways. But in this video specifically, I want to show you that you can make over $1,000 per month on YouTube, even if you don't have lots of subscribers, even if you have a small channel like myself. So if right now you have less than 10,000 subscribers, hopefully with the tips in this video, you'll be able to get more subscribers and make more money at the same time. I'll keep in mind that having more subscribers doesn't necessarily mean that you're going to be able to make more money. What really helps you make more money is how many views your videos are getting. So you should always be putting all your energy into making good videos, good content that people want to watch, because if you're able to pull more views as a result, you'll be able to get more subscribers, and at the same time you'll make more money. So the amount of subscribers that you have really doesn't mean that you're going to make lots of money. It just means that you have more chances of getting more views, but it doesn't necessarily mean that you'll get those views. And that is why I try to balance my content in a way that, I try to create content for my subscribers, and at the same time I try to create content for YouTube search, so people can find my content on YouTube who are searching for specific things that might help me get more views and get more subscribers in the long term. All right, so I want to jump into my computer and show you how I made over $1,000 per month last month just with YouTube and just one affiliate program, and how you can use this to basically do the same thing with your own YouTube channel and make more money. So let's do that right now. All right, guys, so we're inside my YouTube studio, and I'm gonna show you my estimated revenue for the past few months. I'm gonna show you that I've made less than $1,000 every single month from the YouTube partner program. So as you can see, on average, I've been making close to $800 per month on YouTube, and this past month I made $847. This has been the most money that I made from the YouTube partner program since I actually started monetizing my videos on YouTube. So $847 from the YouTube partner program. But now I want to show you my actual earnings from the Bluehost affiliate program. This is one of the affiliate programs that I promote on my channel, and I don't necessarily promote it. I simply put a link in the description of my videos because I use Bluehost for all of my websites, and I have a ton of different videos talking about building blogs and how you can make money building websites and things like that. So it's a good fit for my audience, and as a result I get a bunch of sales every single month from people just signing up for Bluehost and buying domain names and buying hosting packages. And so last month I made $250, 100% from YouTube, not actually promoting the Bluehost affiliate program, just by having the link in the description. So if you add $250 plus 847, that's well over $1,000 per month. But that's just one affiliate programs. I actually promote multiple affiliate programs in my videos, and I actually have my own digital course teaching people how to make money on Facebook, and most of my sales come from YouTube specifically. I'm not doing any paid advertising or doing anything else. It's mostly just YouTube alone. So how exactly was I able to do this? Well, it's mostly from consistency and posting videos every single week. As you can see, I have a ton of different videos, and I've been posting videos for the past 12 months consistently every single week. And I actually started my channel back at the end of 2017, but I didn't take it seriously. I posted maybe one video per month, and I actually wasn't paying attention to YouTube at all until 2019, basically, when I decided that, okay, I was gonna take YouTube seriously and start posting every single week and just see what happened. And what happened was basically my channel started growing. I have so far 228 videos uploaded on YouTube, about 14,000 subscribers, and last month I received about 95,000 views. And as you can see, on average I get about 44 subscribers per day and about 3,000 views a day. So this is what has allowed me to make over $1,000 per month. I've actually been able to make a few $1,000s per month from YouTube without making a lot of money from the YouTube Partner Program. So what I'm gonna do in this video is show you the 3 things that you should be doing in order to make over $1,000 per month with your own YouTube channel. All right, so let's talk about the 3 things that you need in order to reach $1,000 per month on YouTube. And the first thing that you need is to embrace affiliate marketing. Lots of YouTubers are afraid of using affiliate marketing to monetize their channel because they're thinking that if I try to promote something, if I try to sell a product or recommend a service on my videos, people will stop watching my videos and I will start losing subscribers. And that is not the case at all. If you know a good product or service that you know will help your audience, most likely your audience will not mind that you're promoting that product or service, mainly because if the product or service that you're promoting on your videos actually helps your audience, most likely they will thank you for it. They will reach out to you and say, well, thank you for bringing this product or service to my attention. I actually was looking for something like this. And there's nothing wrong with promoting affiliate programs or products or services in your videos. All you're doing is recommending products and services that you're either using or you know they're good for your audience and you know that it's gonna help someone out there. And you might as well make money from this because you're putting the effort and energy into creating these videos and try to solve someone's problem. So this is what affiliate marketing does. It allows you to promote other people's products, and at the same time you'll be able to make money and help someone else who might be looking for this product already. So the first thing that you should be doing is finding 3 to 5 affiliate programs in your channel's theme. And what this means basically is that whatever your channel is about, it doesn't matter what your channel is about, whether you have a cooking channel, a comedy channel, a gaming channel, whatever type of channel you have on YouTube, you will probably find 3 to 5 affiliate programs that you can include in your videos to help you monetize your content. So for example, let's say that you have a gaming channel on YouTube. Well, you can link to Amazon store where you can promote different consoles and PC gaming stuff and accessories and games and things that your audience might be interested in and they might actually purchase from your link. By simply doing that, by placing a link on your video, that could easily make you an extra 10%, 20% of the total revenue that your channel generates on a monthly basis. So if you can find 3 to 5 affiliate programs that fit your channel's theme or topic, that's gonna help you make even more money just like that. Whether you're monetizing your channel with the YouTube Partner Program or not, this is gonna help you make money right away. Now, another thing that you can do is once you find those 3 to 5 affiliate programs that you wanna promote, you should be using the upload default that YouTube provides. If you go to YouTube Studio, you'll find on the settings section, they have an upload default where you can basically enter the description of every single video. It will automatically insert whatever text or links you want for each new video. But basically, you can put a specific section in your description where you have all your affiliate links to the different products and services that you're promoting. By doing this, you don't have to worry about every single new video adding your affiliate links. You simply do it once through the upload default, and every time you upload a new video, it would automatically be there. Every single video is gonna have your affiliate links in there, and most likely it will make you more money the more videos that you have. I'll show you my earnings with the YouTube Partner Program. And of course, if you have your channel monetized, you should be aiming to getting as many views as you can on a monthly basis. So the more views that you get, the more money you'll make from the YouTube Partner Program. And the way to make money with the YouTube Partner Program, it just depends on the topic of your videos. It's not really something that is the same thing for everyone. Some YouTubers will make more money, other YouTubers will make less money. It just depends on the topic of your videos, mainly based on the CPM on each individual video. So if on average you have a CPM of $5, then that means for every 1,000 views, you might make $5. In my case, my CPM is anywhere between $15 to $25 for every 1,000 views, and that's mainly because of the topic of my videos. In many of my videos, I talk about affiliate marketing, business, online marketing, and those topics tend to pay a little bit more money. And if you go into your YouTube studio, you'll find that YouTube will actually provide you the CPM for each individual video, and there you can see which videos are making you the most money. So all you have to do is make a list of the top 10 videos that are making you the most money based on the CPM, and then you can create a new list of videos very similar to those videos that you know will get a higher CPM. It will increase the average CPM of your channel, hence making you more money at the end of the month. And of course, that goes along with being consistent on YouTube, posting at least 1 or 2 videos per week, because the more videos that you post, the more chances you have of going viral, the more chances you have of getting more subscribers, getting more views, and making more money. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, because I post videos like this every single week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.